Burns at sea can be a serious threat, and understanding how to respond effectively is crucial for every seafarer. Whether it's a thermal burn from hot surfaces, a chemical burn from hazardous materials, or an electrical burn from equipment, knowing the right steps can make all the difference in an emergency. Let's start with the common causes of burns on board. Thermal burns often occur in the galley, where hot liquids and surfaces are prevalent. A simple spill can lead to severe injuries. Chemical burns, on the other hand, can result from exposure to corrosive substances, which are not uncommon in maritime operations. Lastly, electrical burns can happen when working with faulty equipment or during maintenance tasks. Each of these scenarios requires immediate and appropriate action. When treating burns, the first step is to assess the severity. For minor burns, cool the affected area with running water for at least 10 to 20 minutes. This helps to reduce pain and prevent further skin damage. Avoid ice, as it can worsen the injury. For larger burns, especially those covering a significant area or affecting the face, hands, or genitals, it's essential to seek professional medical help immediately. Next, let's talk about the essential items in your marine first aid kit. A well-stocked kit should include sterile burn dressings, non-stick gauze, burn gel, and antiseptic wipes. These supplies are vital for managing burns effectively. Always ensure your kit is easily accessible and regularly checked for expiration dates. Emergency preparedness is key. Conduct regular drills with your crew to practice burn treatment protocols. Familiarize everyone with the location of the first aid kit and the steps to take in case of a burn incident. This proactive approach can save valuable time and improve outcomes during real emergencies. Remember, the goal is to minimize damage and prevent infection. After cooling the burn, cover it with a sterile dressing to protect it from contaminants. Never pop blisters, as this can lead to infection. If the burn is severe, keep the person calm and comfortable while waiting for medical assistance. Effective communication is also critical. Ensure that all crew members know how to report an incident and who to contact for help. This can streamline the response process and ensure that everyone is on the same page during an emergency. In summary, being prepared and knowledgeable about burn treatment at sea is essential for maintaining shipboard safety. By understanding the common causes of burns, having the right supplies on hand, and practicing emergency response protocols, seafarers can significantly reduce the risks associated with burns on board. Prioritize safety, stay informed, and ensure that you and your crew are ready to handle any burn-related emergencies that may arise.